What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Kais from Roll GT Auto. Today we're working on one of the most popular EVs, the Tesla Model Y. We're doing a full body kit on it, changing it up a little bit, putting a full kit as well as carbon pieces all around the vehicle. Come check it out. Tesla makes one of the best EV cars. They're fast, they're nice, but let's be honest, they're very simple. And a lot of them, they look exactly the same. This one, it's a must. You gotta get the full body kit on it. This one here, the Model Y, we got the full rear diffuser. As well as we did the emblems. Here we replaced the Tesla logo to the emblem in all black. Got the spoiler, got the side skirts. The whole kit comes with all around, as well as around the camera. See the carbon pieces that's been added on, as well as the front lip. It's all complete kit that goes all around the vehicle. You can also add side mirror caps and as well as any type of covers on the rim as well. We have different types of hubcaps that we can install as well, just to make it look different. I know a lot of the Model Ys, they all look the same. It's a good upgrade, a must-have upgrade on the Tesla Model Ys. So the installation process on the Model Y kits, they're pretty simple, straightforward, but you do have to prep the surface, clean it up nicely, as well as we order our kits from TeslaModelY. They have one of the best kits out there, and the fitment's amazing. Check it out. It's flush right to the body. And it's pretty simple, plug and play. It comes with double-sided as well. You have to make sure you have the surface clean. It's all prepped before installing it, but the kit's amazing, the fitment's amazing. Check it out. So if you're looking for any type of kits, any parts for your Tesla, any upgrades as well as interior, exterior, check out the link below. I'll at TeslaModelysParts.com. You can directly order all your parts there and we can install it here for you as we specialize in all the Teslas. If you like this transformation, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury builds and Tesla upgrades. Make sure you check out TeslaModelY. I'm gonna hit the links below. If you need any type of parts or accessories, they're the place to go. See you till next time.